Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up any configs and note important settings so you can restore them later. Next, power cycle the modem, then the router, unplug power, wait 30-60 seconds and plug back in. This clears transient faults. Once done, connect a single device with an Ethernet cable to reduce variables and check link lights and IP assignment. If the device still shows no connectivity, keep the modem and router logs or LEDs in view to guide the next steps. You will now reset software network settings to eliminate stale state. On the client, run a release/renew of the IP and flush the DNS cache. This forces fresh network configuration. Then, log into the router, restart its DHCP service, and confirm the gateway and subnet are correct. Make sure no IP conflicts exist. Next, temporarily set an alternate DNS like 8 to rule out name resolution faults. If packets still fail, capture a short ping or trace route to pinpoint where traffic stops. If prior steps fail, perform a factory reset on the router, but only after backing up configurations. This removes persistent misconfigurations. Once reset, update the firmware to the latest version, restore only verified settings, and re-enable security like WPA2/3. Then verify connectivity with end-to-end tests. Ping the gateway, ping a public IP, open several web pages, and run a speed test. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.